Look, I'm gonna be brutally honest with you right now. What I'm about to share with you is so stupidly simple that when you actually hear it, you're gonna feel like an idiot for not doing it sooner. And I mean that in the best way possible. I'm not trying to insult you. This single shift in my business took me from struggling to make $3,000 a year to making $3,000 in a single day. And no, this isn't some shady loophole or sketchy pyramid scheme. It's literally just understanding how money actually works in business, and most people never even figure this out. They spend years grinding, working their asses off, and wondering why they're still broke. So if you're serious about making real money, not just pocket change, stay with me because this is gonna change everything for you. In business, there's two main types of products you can sell. You've got physical products, stuff like clothing, supplements, electronics, literally anything that you can touch and hold. And then we've got intangible goods, which are services or digital products. Think about cutting someone's hair, selling an ebook, creating an online course, mowing a lawn, or offering coaching. Now, here is where most people screw up massively. They think physical products are the way to go because they feel more real, more legitimate. For example, this cup of tea has inherent value. You can't have the cup of tea without the cup of tea. But let me tell you something that's gonna save you years of struggle. Physical products have trash profit margins. And I mean trash. You're dealing with manufacturing costs, shipping, inventory, returns, all this overhead that eats into your profit. You might make a 20 or 30% profit margin if you're lucky. The average is closer to 5 to 20%. But that means that for every $100 you make in revenue, you're only keeping between 5 to 20 bucks on average. So it's decent, but it's not that great. But with intangible goods, with services and digital products, your profit margins are insane. We're talking 80 to 98% profit margins, because there's no physical cost to deliver the product. Once you create a course or you offer a service, the cost to deliver it is basically your time and maybe a couple softwares. That's it. So if your goal is to make $5,000 to $30,000 a month, do not waste your time selling physical products. You're fighting an uphill battle that you don't need to fight in the first place. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, here is where it gets even more interesting. Not every kind of digital product is created equal. So what do I mean? You've got what we call low-ticket products, meaning they're not very expensive, like a $49 course or a $97 ebook. And you've got high-ticket products on the other hand, like for example, a $3,500 coaching program or a $5,000 done-for-you service. And most people, they start with low-ticket because it feels easier. They think more people will purchase it because it's cheaper, but it's completely backwards thinking. Let me show you the math real quick. If you want to make $10,000 a month selling a $49 product, you need to sell 204 units, 204 sales every single month. That's almost 7 sales every single day. Do you understand how exhausting that is? You need a massive email list or a huge social media following to pull that off consistently. And even then, you're gonna be stressed out of your mind trying to hit those numbers. Now let's flip it. If you're selling a $3,500 product and you want to make $10,000 a month, you only need 3 sales. 3, that's it. You could literally make 1 sale every 10 days and hit your goal. And here's the thing that nobody tells you. It's actually easier to sell to fewer people at a higher price than it is to sell to a ton of people at a low price. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but think about it. When someone's paying you $3,500, they're serious, they're committed. They're high-quality clients who actually do the work and get results. You're not dealing with tire kickers and people who bought your $49 thing and never even opened it. Plus, it takes way less of your time. You're working with 3 people instead of 200 people. You can actually give them attention, get them incredible results, and you're making way more money in the process. This is the game changer right there. But now you're probably thinking, okay, that sounds amazing, but there's no way I can charge $3,000 or $5,000. No one's gonna pay me that much. And that is where you're dead wrong. People pay high prices all the time for products or services that solve painful problems. The key is you need to solve a painful problem for a specific type of person within one of the three main markets: health, wealth, or relationships. These are the only markets that matter because these are the things people will always spend money on. Let me give you some examples. In health, you could help busy executives to lose 30 pounds in 90 days without giving up their social life. That's easily a $3,000 to $5,000 offer. In wealth, you could help real estate agents to book 5 to 10 appointments per week with qualified buyers using paid ads. That's a $4,000 to $6,000 service, even more, because real estate deals are expensive. In relationships, you could help divorced men over 40 get back into dating and find a meaningful relationship. You could be selling that for $2,000, $4,000 as a coaching program. Now, do you see how specific these are? You're not just helping people lose weight or make money or find love. You're helping a specific person solve a specific painful problem. And when you do that, price becomes almost irrelevant because the value is so clear. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, let's talk about how you actually get clients. Because you can have the best offer in the world, but if nobody knows about it, you're not making any money. The quickest way to get clients, and I mean the absolute fastest way, is reaching out to them directly. So for that, you need to figure out what social media platform your ideal clients hang out on. If you're targeting business owners, they're most likely on LinkedIn or Facebook. If you're targeting fitness enthusiasts, they're on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and pretty much every social media platform. Once you know where they are, you start sending them messages, as many as you can physically send every single day without dying. But you need to be smart about it, because these platforms will ban you if you're too aggressive. You can't just spam the same message to 500 people in an hour, it'd be too easy. You need to personalize your outreach a little bit, reference something from their profile maybe, make it conversational. The goal is to start a dialogue, not pitch them immediately. But this method works because you are in control. You're going out and finding your clients instead of passively waiting for them to find you, which can take a while, believe me. Now, to be perfectly honest with you, the absolute best way to get clients is paid ads. That could be Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, anything. The reason ads are the best is because they're predictable. Once you have an ad campaign that works, you can literally purchase as many clients as you want. Of course, as long as you do it profitably. If you know you can spend $1,000 on ads and you make $5,000 in revenue, you just keep scaling that up. It's like a money printing machine. But here's the catch. Ads also cost money. A lot of money. Especially when you're just getting started, testing and figuring out what works. You might spend $2,000 or $3,000 before you get your first clients from any ads. That's why I don't recommend ads for complete beginners. If you're just starting out and you don't have that much capital to invest, stick with organic outreach and posting content to build your audience of buyers. But as soon as you have some cash flow, start learning ads, because that's how you scale to the next level. Now, once we're getting some sales, we need to help our clients get the transformation they're looking for. So the question becomes, how do you actually deliver your service or product once somebody pays you? You've got a few options here depending on what you're selling exactly. If you're doing a done-for-you service like running Facebook ads for a business, or maybe building websites or managing their social media, you can either do it yourself if you want to or if you know how, or hire a remote contractor to do it for you. If you do it yourself, it's going to cost you your time, but you keep all the profit. Now, if you hire someone, it's going to cost you more money, maybe 30 to 50% of what you're charging the client, but it frees up your time to go and close more new customers. And that's probably what you should do at some point, even from the very beginning, because if you spend all your time delivering for the customers, you're not selling. And if you're not selling, well, you can't make more money than you currently do. So as soon as you can, bring someone on to handle delivery so you can focus on sales and growth. That's how you scale past 6 figures a year in revenue. Now, if you're selling business to consumer, which means you're selling directly to individuals, not businesses, I highly recommend you start with one-on-one coaching on Zoom calls. This is the best model for beginners because you can get direct feedback from your customers. You learn what works, what doesn't, what questions they have, what struggles they're dealing with. And then, once you've worked with 5 to 15 people and you really understand the process, you transition to a hybrid model. So what's a hybrid model exactly? You create a step-by-step online course that walks them through your system, teaches them everything they need to know. Then you add one weekly live Q&A call where they can ask questions to you directly. Plus, chat support where they can message you throughout the week if they get stuck. This model is insane because you're serving way more people without sacrificing results. You can take on hundreds of customers per month. So instead of doing tons of one-to-one calls per week, which at some point you can't do any more of because you have limited time, let's face it, now you're doing a couple group calls per week and you've got tons of people in your program instead of just a few. So it's the same amount of time spent, but you make way more money. That's how you get to those $30,000 a month and hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Look, everything I just told you is exactly what I did step by step to go from broke to making thousands of dollars per day on the best days. And this isn't theory. This isn't theory. This is literally my business model. I sell high-ticket offers in the wealth market, I post daily content, reach out to leads, and I run some paid ads to get more customers, and I use a hybrid delivery model that lets me serve a ton of people without burning out. If you implement this, you are going to see results really fast. But you have to actually do it. I know for a fact most people are going to watch this video. I mean, not even until the end. They can't even last 30 seconds. But the ones who do will think it's cool and then do nothing. Don't be that person. Your future self is literally begging you to take action right now. So go figure out your high-ticket offer, figure out who your ideal client is, and start putting your offer in front of them every single day. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.